Yeah, look at this snow. Okay. Yes, indeed. Still filming this snow. Once again, a winter wonderland around here. Uh-huh. Yep. But the snow is melting, you know. There's snow in the trees though, you know. So somebody's jacket. Who the hell was out here this late? Or somebody left it before the snow or whatever. We'll have to tell that jackass Truth the Gamer, aka ran the TV to watch this, you know. Well, you can't hardly tell that there was snow on this bleach right here, on this bench right here. Okay. Oh, and there's a little snow that melted here. There's some snow that melted right there. Okay. Yes, indeed. All right. So should we go further down? We went down there already. Okay. All right. Oh, that look like there's a pile of snow over here. Y'all want to join me? Join me over here. All right. The sun is shining. Well, we had sleep a couple of weeks ago. You know, we had sleep, and Nala said she's not a winter gal. Sure the hell ain't a winter gal, but she's a summer gal. Yeah, I like summer myself. I sure would like to see Nala there. I better be quiet because she watching my video. Oh man, it's slippery. Whoa, 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 oh, oh, black ice. Whoa, whoa, ah, whoa, whoa. It's whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, I better. Whoa, be careful. All right, be careful. All right, whoa. All right. Here we go. The ice. Okay. All right. Woo. All right. I better. All right then. I bet my crazy big brother watching it. Man, what you doing, man? Yeah, he always open his mouth. Yes, indeed. All right. Well, I wonder if there's snow on those bleachers right there. Huh. Oh well. That's it.